Hello everybody, my name is Max, welcome back in another video. This time we are unboxing another package. This time it's the one from Link4CN. We used to have Panda Buy in the past and many other agents. Now we also have the Link4CN, which offers a very fast shipping with amazing prices, and it takes only 10 days to receive an order in our warehouse. So that's a very high quality service. They're cheaper than most of agents and the quality is just the same. And if you have some issues, you can reach their workers and they will answer you for sure. So there's no worry about getting lost on their website or having some issues here. That's enough of yapping. Let's just begin unboxing this package. So here we have the package, it's quite big. I already removed the adhesive tape on top, so let's just get started. Let's see how it all looks like. Alright, and the first item here we have, let's take a look at this. Let's see what might be inside of here. Here we have the hoodie, the Nike middle swoosh hoodie. As you can see, this is how it all looks like. You've got a very nice high quality cotton hoodie in a black color, and this is more of a navy color, like black/navy color. You see that this one is a little bit different color of laces here, and you've got the size is L. So yeah, I really like this hoodie. I ordered it in the past, but yeah, I decided to get more because the quality is just insane. Here we have it, guys, the Nike hoodie. All the products, you have the links down in the description, so be sure to check them out. Next up here we also have some Adidas. So as you can see, the box came in quite destroyed, but we don't care about the box. Here, as you can see, we have some Adidas Sambas and this Mexican color or Mexican collaboration. You can see that on the tongue here it says Mexico, so yeah, it all looks quite nice. I like the Sambas quite a lot. You've got a green stripes and everything. The sole is just amazing. Look at the sole, it's nice. You have the leather here and leather here, so yeah, I can definitely tell that quality of the shoe is just quite insane. And the left pedal looks like this. You've got yourself some labels and everything looks just as it should. These shoes are obviously new, unused. Continuing, here we also have some Nike Air Force. Let's take a look at these shoes. So I usually buy these because they're pretty inexpensive. The quality is just great, and yeah, you can't really just go wrong with Air Forces, right? So yeah, here we have some white Air Forces. This is how the Air Forces look in the back. On the side, on the tip here, they look quite nice, and on the inner part, they look like this. The sole looks like this, quite high, and yeah, you've got all the stars. The regular pattern is here, so yeah, the Air Forces are just amazing. Inside is how the shoes look like. The quality is just great, and yeah, everything looks okay. Let's also see if the other shoe looks the same as this one. And yeah, as you can see, this is how it all looks like. The shoe looks great, it looks nice. There are some defects like here, but other than that, they're quite nice, honestly. So yeah, Air Force says, you have the link down in the description. Here we also have the Birkenstock Arizona in its size 38. You can see how it all looks like. Here you also have some infographics, and yeah, this is how the whole box looks like. Inside we have our blocks, sandals, the Birkenstock Arizona. They look like this. As you can see, we have the Birkenstock in gray, and yeah, the sole looks amazing. The sole looks nice. You can just take a look at this. Yeah, I like how the shoes look like. And the insole, and the sole looks like this. You've got yourself some nice Birk logo here, and yeah, you can also see how the other pair looks like this. Yeah, very nice, beautiful shoes. Continuing, here we also have some more of the Arizonas. Yeah, but this time in this different color, the brown one. You can see how they all present. Yeah, I'm not going to bore you with the same shoes because they're just pretty much the same. Next up, here we also have the Stanley cup. So I decided to get such a Stanley cup. This is how this one looks like. Yeah, you can see the Stanley cup looks quite nice. It is the stainless steel, so yeah. Inside is how it all presents. Very nice cap. I like this quite a lot. You also have the straw you can use, the plastic straw. And lastly, here we have this last item, the Jordans. I decided to get such a Jordans black, white, anthraquite. That's how they present. Let's take a look at this box. Let's see how they all look like inside. And here we have it, guys. The beautiful Jordan 4s. This is how they present. Yeah, just take a look at them. They look just amazing. And you also have this bubble here that you can see through the whole shock absorbers and the sole. And yeah, inside the materials are absolutely superb. You've got this Air Jordan signature here, and the insole looks like this. I really like these shoes. The right pair looks absolutely identical. Same materials, the same patterns. It all looks just nice. I really like these shoes. And all of them are available on the Link4CN with the links down in the description. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to check out the Link4CN where you can find amazing offers. As I said previously in the beginning of this video, there are just amazing offers, so please be sure to check them out. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, just simply ask me, I will answer you. And yeah, subscribe for more content like this coming up on this channel where we unbox beautiful items. See you on the next one, bye!